Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best school supplies kit for 5th graders, the Elementary School Essentials Bundle. This all-in-one box is designed to take the stress out of back-to-school shopping by providing everything a student needs in one convenient package. Imagine not having to run around multiple stores searching for folders, notebooks, pencils, or glue sticks. This bundle includes 91 pieces, thoughtfully put together to cover all the essentials for elementary school students. It's a complete set with binders, folders, notebooks, filler paper, pencils, pens, note cards, and even crayons and markers. Everything is packed neatly in a box measuring 12 by 10 by 4 inches, making it easy to store and transport. What stands out about this kit is the variety and quality of the supplies. You get a sturdy 1-inch binder, 5 3-prong folders to help keep subjects organized, and multiple notebooks including wide-ruled spiral notebooks and a composition book. For writing and drawing needs, it has Crayola crayons, colored pencils, and broadline markers, which are perfect for creative projects or coloring assignments. The kit also includes practical tools like 2 disappearing purple glue sticks from Elmer's, which are kid-friendly and mess-free. A pencil bag to keep writing instruments organized, and even pencil grips to help young hands with proper writing posture. Mechanical pencils and lead refills are included alongside traditional number 2 pencils, ensuring students are prepared for any kind of writing task. There are also extras that make this bundle a true all-in-one solution. A pencil sharpener, pink erasers, pencil top erasers, blunt tip scissors, index cards for studying or flashcards, and a tissue pocket pack, because you never know when those might come in handy at school. This kit isn't just about quantity, it's designed to make the school year easier and more organized for students. Whether it's homework, studying, note-taking, or art projects, everything a 5th grader needs is right here. It also makes a thoughtful gift not only for students but also for teachers, tutors, and homeschooling families. For parents, this bundle is a huge time saver and a cost-effective way to get all the supplies without worrying about missing anything on the school list. It's from a small business that focuses on quality and convenience, helping support local brands while providing excellent products. If you want to avoid the hassle of last-minute shopping or scrambling to find missing supplies, this Elementary School Essentials Bundle is an easy and reliable choice. It delivers the right mix of tools that a 5th grader needs to succeed all year long. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.